In this video, I will show you how you can mirror the screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the Ultra wirelessly to your smart TV. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that both of your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If either of them is connected to a different Wi-Fi network, this method will not work. Now after you've done that, then just open the quick settings and from here just look for the smart view icon. Now if you cannot find the smart view icon in the quick settings, then just tap on the edit icon and select add a control. Now from here just look for the smart view icon from this page, and once you add the smart view icon to the quick settings, now after that just tap on done. Now from your quick settings just tap on the smart view icon. Now from here just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner from this menu and select settings. On this page just tap on labs. Now over here, just make sure you enable the toggle for allow all apps to be cast. Now also enable the option for Chromecast support. Now after you enable both of these options, then just go back. Now on this menu, you will find the name of your TV. Now just tap on the name of your TV. And after that, just select how you want to cast the screen of your phone to your TV. You can either select entire screen or a single app. After you select your preferred option, then just tap on cast screen to cast the screen of your Samsung phone to your smart TV. Now for example, if you tap on the name of your TV and if a pop-up appears on the screen of your TV, just select allow or confirm to give your smart TV the access to your phone. After you do that, then just follow the instructions on the screen of your phone as I have mentioned them. So you could use Smart View to cast the screen of your phone to your TV. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.